Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to Chrome browser secret setting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Google Chrome, tap on this. You can see that three dot icon, tap on this icon. After that, tap on setting. Next, tap on privacy and security. Scroll down little bit. You can see here use secure DNS. Tap on this. You can see that use your current service provider and choose another provider. Tap on choose another provider. Tap on this icon. You can see that 5 steps. Tap on select third steps. Hopefully your problem solved successfully, and please subscribe to my channel.